Hi everybody, welcome back or hello if you're new. I'm Feb and today we're looking at the contents of a box of stuff from the Harry Potter shop, and they are all packed in together nice and tightly. So let's have a look and see what we've got. First of all, a pair of socks, because you can never have too many, right? They had a 25% sale after Christmas, so I picked up those. Plus a pair of PJs, because these actually looked really cozy and I really like the design on them. So there's head wigs and envelopes. Let me get them out the packet. Okay, this is better. Check it out. How nice is that? It says Hogwarts. We've got parcels. We've got stars, spectacles, and yeah, they are actually quite thin, but they're quite heavy. So I don't know. We'll see. I'll let you know. I'll leave a pinned comment as to how warm they are when I actually get around to wearing them. But yeah, I thought they were quite cute. Next I had to pick up one of their butterbeers. This is the new label. Check it out. Isn't that lovely? All that foiling, really pretty. And I cannot wait to open this and drink it. It's just going to be amazing. They always are. And I like to indulge myself from time to time with a few of those. And likewise, we have a packet of 4. Look at the wrapping. Isn't it cool, this box? And these are just the normal label ones. Okay, so these are really little. The new label one is actually a lot larger and contains more. So I don't think I realised how petite these bottles actually are. That's not going to last me 5 minutes. Let's get one out. Yeah, look at those. Size difference. Oh well, there we go. Lesson learned. Moving on. Okay, next I picked up this hoodie, as you can see, and I really like this one. I've had my eye on it for a while, and they did have a really good offer on this a few months ago, and I failed to take advantage of it, so 25% off I thought was a good thing. So this is size small. Their sizing is a bit weird, honestly. Well, you'll see for yourself if you ever bought anything from them, let me know. But the smalls seem to be about right. Normally I'll take a medium and sometimes a large depending, but yeah, I don't know. Look at the sleeves, super cute. Okay, and then finally I picked up some butterbeer biscuits. I think these are relatively new to the Harry Potter shop, so I'm quite looking forward to trying these with a cup of tea. So that's it. Those are the individual items I purchased, and then we have the mystery box, so let's get into that. Okay, this is why the box was so big. These things are huge. I can't actually fit it all into the camera screen, so let's get it open and see what's there. Just to say again though, check it out. I really like the inside of the box. That's a really lovely detail. I can't imagine what I would do with it, but maybe Christmas decorations in it or something. But it's a really cool feature. I love that. Gringotts, there's all sorts to read, you know? Fun. Alright, so first thing out is a Ministry of Magic wax and seal set, which is really cool because I don't have this one. And look at the seal. That is really, really attractive. I like it. And we've got the red and the black. I would have thought purple. I don't know why. I guess I've seen purple things before with Ministry of Magic on it, so I guess that's kind of stuck in my brain. But yeah, very happy with that. Thank you. Next, oh my goodness, I don't know what I'm going to do with this thing. We have a pygmy puff. Actually quite large. Let me get a ruler. There you go. It's about 6 or 7 inches wide. Look at his little feet. Okay, they are really cute. He would have originally been £15. I forgot to say, this box was 50 quid. It was originally 75 and I picked it up for 50. Okay. Let's see what else we have. Oh my god. I don't even know what to say about these. Okay, I have to be honest and say I wouldn't be seen dead in public with these on. But if I was going out into the garden, maybe I would. I think the neighbours are already quite aware that, you know, she's not quite right. So they probably wouldn't be too surprised to see me wearing this, but yeah, what the hell, that's a fun thing. If anything, if you know nothing else, you can keep it as an ornament somewhere maybe. It's so cute though, look at his little face. Fun. All right, next we've got a time turner, and this is a pin. That's very nice. That can go on my pin board if I can possibly squeeze some more room out of it. That was originally £4.95. I haven't added all these things up yet, obviously, because I don't know what else is in the box, but I think I forgot to say the seal kit was 15 quid. Yikes. All right, and then here you've earned a drink from something from the Three Broomsticks, so butterbeer. Oh my god. All right. Okay, so this is the same size as the new label one. Nice. That's a, you know, a decent drink in there, right? Lovely. See what else there is? Okay, an absolutely enormous Marauders map. Holy moly, that's giant. Okay, so well, I can use that for wallpaper. Honestly, it's so big. You could frame it. Look at the back; it's got all the details. Very nice. Okay, that's a cool thing to have. It's a full-scale prop replica measuring 72 inches wide when open. Holy moly, by 15.5 inches. That's cool. Okay, love that. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, guys. All right, and then finally we have a wand box, beautiful blue wand box as well. Who we got? Oh, Aberforth Dumbledore. All right, see what his wand looks like because I can't remember. I don't collect wands, but I have a few. Buy the pretty ones, really. Oh wow, okay, that's very nice. It actually looks a little bit like Harry's, but a bit more sophisticated. Yes, look at that. That's really handsome, and it feels good and heavy in the hand. Ooh, that's lovely. Well, I'm really pleased with that. Fragile, collectible wand, not a toy. Okay, it's not a toy. Put it away, Darkstar. Okay, well, that's everything. What an interesting mystery box. I really enjoyed it, and I feel like I've got my money's worth, which is always a good thing, right? I don't know what I'm going to do with the map. This I will definitely display, and this. The Butterbeer is obviously, you know, that's gone already practically. The Pygmy Puff is super cute. I will find a home. And yeah, the wax seal, brilliant, love. This guy, I don't know, but I can't hate it because look. I mean, you just can't, right? All right, then, that's it. Do let me know what was your favourite item and did you buy one of these as well? I'll see you soon for the next one. Take care and stay safe, everybody.